And I work in digital marketing mastery for entrepreneurs. I used to run dance fitness classes for 8 years full time as my primary income before I got really obsessed with all the online geeky stuff. And I've noticed what's happening, and people are looking for ways to understand more how they can firstly stream online and kind of manage that whole digital environment. So I thought I'd shoot this quick video. I filmed another video about how there's a lot of software out there that can do a lot of things. It depends what price you want to pay, and how much you're willing to spend to get what you need. So I've been looking at the lower cost, cheaper options, how you can get a really streamlined system happening. And I found Eventbrite would be a great way to start with your advertising your events and getting or advertising your classes through there, especially if you're doing free classes, because it's free and you're able to then see who's in your class, get their email, and make sure and get all the reminder emails about when it's starting, like the day before, 2 hours before, 2 minutes before it starts, and make sure people are just really informed and you've got everyone together in one spot. Of course, there's other ways you could do that. You could have a Facebook group, and then just like of your classes, and then just post in the group the link. So if you're doing the group way, then this is just you want to know now the streaming side. So I'll take you through Zoom because I use it all the time, and how it'll work for you for streaming, providing you've got good, strong internet. The first thing to let people know is that the link that you give them will work on their laptop and their phone, provided they've downloaded the app. So they'll have to download the Zoom app for their phone. Now let's get into scheduling. So version. So the paid version is where you can have groups and lasting an hour or more, whereas in the free version it can only be 40 minutes. Then you'll be booted out and you'll be able to log back in, but that's not going to be a very nice experience. So if you would like to upgrade, it's around 22 Australian a month. To schedule your meeting, just go to schedule a new meeting. You could put in fitness class, a little bit of a description, have your video on, take away the password. You do not want the password, you don't want extra barriers, and have mute participants upon entry, save. Okay, that's the scheduling side. So now you've got the link. This is what you want to give people. So you can give that on your website, your Facebook group, or if you were having it paid or by donation or free, you'd use Eventbrite, and this is what you would insert as your virtual link. So you can check that other video out if you would like. You can start the meeting down here, or you can go back over to meetings, and then there's a little start button here. So I'm already in a meeting because I'm recording using QuickTime on my Mac, and I wanted to show you all the buttons down here, all the different things you can do. So I would suggest you could get in 10 minutes early, and then you can see everyone's videos, and that's where you can have a chat and you can manage the chat. Basically how Zoom works is whoever's talking or making the sound, then they will put their face first on the screen. So you can have people in muting and unmuting and or just chatting away, and that's fine. And of course you've got the chat area here as well that people can chat in. Manage participants. So coming to the manage participants, when it's time to actually start your class, you're going to have to mute everybody because you don't want them flashing up on your screen when you're delivering your class. And then untick this because you don't want them to unmute themselves. Okay, continue. And there's stage 2 is sharing. We'll go to share screen, but you're actually going to advanced and computer sound only, this one. And this is going to allow you to get the good audio that's coming from your laptop. So you're not using any other speakers, you're using the iTunes or whatever from your laptop, and then you can just start your playlist straight up from there, and just teach through that, and there you go. And then when it's finished, you can maybe share your desktop, or actually, whoops, what am I doing? Probably don't have anything. You can just not share anything because you're wanting to get, you're wanting to just come back. So pretty much that is it. Yeah, that's it. And hope that's easy for you. Sorry about the end. I was like, what am I doing here? Hope that's easy. And there's the other video. Have a great class, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks.